we're going to be doing a quick little review of the Beetles Blooming Gel. I know the blooming gels are all the trend right now with the aura nails, the turquoise nails, the snakeskin nails. If that is a design you're looking to do, this is your product, you guys. When I tell you this is so easy to use, it's so easy to use, and it's a great size, like compared to some of my other products. You are really getting a lot and you don't have to use a lot of product. So essentially this is just a clear coat that what you would do is if you're applying a base color, you're gonna cure your base color, paint a slip coat of this on top, and then do your design, and it is just going to instantly start spreading. And that's the point, okay? So then once your design has spread to where you want it to be, you just go ahead and cure it, and it like makes that design not move. It gives a really cool, like not so harsh line blurred effect to a lot of your designs or colors that you're using. This can be removed with a drill, or it is a soaked off LED cure. So I would definitely recommend this. The performance is top notch. It lasts a good amount of time. It works just as it's supposed to, and it is foolproof, so easy to use. So definitely recommend.